How to fix if your Instagram account is disabled. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if your Instagram account has been disabled. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, let's say you were trying to simply open up Instagram and all of a sudden Instagram popped you up with a message saying that the Instagram account is disabled. Well, this could happen because let's say Instagram noticed some kind of potentially unwanted and spammy behavior from your account. Maybe you were commenting too much, maybe you were liking too many posts, you were unfriending and following too many people, you used some kind of third-party apps or services to increase your followers or some kind of general gigs like that. And that could be one of the simple perhaps reason why this is happening in the first place. In order to fix this, let's say you're not being able to log in back into your Instagram account. Well, in that case, what I would recommend you do is to simply open up and launch any of the browser which you have on a device. Once you open your browser, in the search box you want to simply go to Instagram support. So go ahead and then type in Instagram support right over here. Once you type in Instagram support and search for the official forum page of Instagram support help center, you can see help center, tap on it, and over here you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Here you can simply type in account disabled. So let me just go ahead and then type in account disabled option right over here. As I type in account disabled, you can see what can I do if my Instagram account has been disabled. So tap on it, and right over here you can see it says if your Instagram account is disabled, you will see a message telling you when you try to log in, accounts that don't follow our community guidelines or terms of use may be disabled without warning. We suggest that you review the community guidelines carefully along with the post on all accounts that you've created. Bear in mind that we may permanently remove an account that repeatedly violates the community guidelines or terms of use. So go ahead and simply try to see if this fixes the issue. In your case, if it is a temporary ban or a temporary disabling, then Instagram is going to simply remove that restriction within a few days period of time. Or what I would also recommend you do is to simply try to switch your account or to switch your network connection and see if the problem persists. Hope this video gave you some insights and solution about the issue and how you can fix it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.